As December arrives, the heart of your home becomes even warmer. The scent of cinnamon, fresh cookies, and holiday spices begins to fill the air. And suddenly your kitchen transforms into a space where memories are made. It's where the gingerbread magic happens, where mugs of hot cocoa are shared, and where your Christmas decorating style truly comes alive. From glowing greenery above the cabinets to charming gingerbread accents, elegant dining table displays, and cozy holiday touches, your kitchen can become the most festive room in the house. Get ready, because we're about to turn your kitchen and dining area into a Christmas wonderland. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for seasonal decor inspiration. Today, we're diving into Christmas kitchen decor ideas, from festive countertops and cabinet decorations to magical dining table centerpieces and holiday-themed accents. Whether you love a cozy gingerbread style, elegant traditional decor, or simple Christmas touches, this video has something for every kitchen. Let's bring the holiday spirit right into the heart of your home. What are the essential elements of Christmas kitchen decor? Christmas kitchen decor focuses on warmth and charm. Think greenery, warm lights, festive mugs, cookie jars, mini wreaths, and holiday linens. Add pops of red, green, gold, or gingerbread tones to bring the holiday feeling into every corner. How can I decorate my kitchen cabinets for Christmas? You can hang mini wreaths, tie ribbons on the cabinet knobs, or drape garlands across the top. For extra charm, add LED fairy lights to create a soft glow. This instantly transforms plain cabinets into festive highlights. If you love cabinet decor ideas, don't forget to like and share this video for more Christmas inspiration. What are some simple Christmas kitchen decor ideas on a budget? Use Dollar Tree finds like bows, mini ornaments, faux greenery, and kitchen towels. Add thrifted mugs, cookie tins, or DIY hot cocoa bars to create affordable yet festive layers of decor. How can I style a gingerbread-themed Christmas kitchen? Gingerbread decor brings sweetness and nostalgia into your kitchen. Use gingerbread houses, cookie jars, spatulas, and garlands shaped like tiny cookies. Add warm amber lights to make the entire theme feel magical. How do I decorate my countertops without overcrowding? Choose a few key decor zones: a hot cocoa station, a festive cutting board setup, or a decorated corner tray. Keep your functional spaces free while letting decorative areas shine with greenery, candles, and seasonal jars. What are the best Christmas centerpiece ideas for the kitchen island? Use a wooden tray or cake stand filled with candles, pine cones, berries, and small ornaments. You can also add a mini tree or a gingerbread house centerpiece for a gorgeous holiday statement. Which centerpiece style do you prefer? Elegant, rustic, or gingerbread themed? Tell us in the comments. How can I decorate my kitchen window for Christmas? Hang snowflake ornaments using fishing string, add a mini wreath, or place small pre-lit trees on the windowsill. Clip-on garlands also make the window look festive day and night. What are some ways to decorate a Christmas dining table? Layer a holiday table runner, add candles, greenery, and ornaments, then finish with themed place settings. Mixing textures like wood, glass, and metallic accents creates a balanced, festive dining table. What's an elegant dining table centerpiece idea for Christmas? Try a long garland centerpiece with gold ornaments, tapered candles, and frosted pine cones. This creates a luxurious tablescape perfect for dinner parties and holiday gatherings. Love elegant Christmas decorating? Make sure to subscribe for weekly holiday decor ideas. How can I match my kitchen decor with my dining area? Pick a theme like gingerbread, rustic red and green, farmhouse, or metallic gold, and repeat those shades across both spaces. Matching greenery or similar table linens helps the design flow smoothly. How do I create a holiday-themed hot cocoa bar in the kitchen? Use ceramic Christmas mugs, jars for marshmallows and cocoa mix, candy canes, and festive signs. Add fairy lights and a mini wreath for a cozy winter cafe vibe. What are the best Christmas colors for a modern kitchen decor look? Stick with neutrals like white, silver, champagne, and soft green. Add glass ornaments, sleek candle holders, and matte finish decor for a clean, stylish Christmas feel. What are some cute ways to decorate with Christmas kitchen textiles? Use festive hand towels, oven mitts, table linens, and chair covers. Gingerbread, snowflakes, Santa prints, or plaid patterns bring instant holiday charm to your everyday kitchen items. How can I decorate small kitchens for Christmas? Focus on vertical decor, mini wreaths on cabinets, garlands above cupboards, and magnetic holiday signs on appliances. Use slim trays or tiered stands to save counter space. How do I add Christmas lighting to my kitchen? String fairy lights around cabinet tops, windows, shelves, or your cocoa bar. Warm white lights create a cozy glow that ties the entire kitchen together and feels magical in the evenings. Christmas decorating doesn't stop in the living room. Your kitchen and dining area are where the season truly comes alive. From cabinet decor to festive centerpieces, from gingerbread accents to cozy table settings, even the smallest decorative touch brings warmth and joy. This holiday season, let your kitchen glow with charm, flavor, and Christmas cheer. If these Christmas kitchen ideas inspired you, like the video and share it with friends. Tell us your favorite Christmas kitchen theme: gingerbread, traditional red and green, modern, or rustic. Check the description for our full Christmas decor playlist. Subscribe for weekly Christmas and winter decorating ideas. See related kitchen and dining room Christmas decor videos linked below.